Alright, let's open this bad boy. Switch hands. Alright, let's take a peek, see what it looks like. Ooh, looks like it might be packed pretty good. Amazon sent it via UPS. Oh, there we go. Toys with purpose. Packed nice. Oh, look at there. Looks pretty good. Hey! No! Don't start. This is Lord. Alright, so right now... Wow. Take this stuff out of here. Packed nice in a big bag. I just don't feel like pulling the whole damn thing out right now. We'll separate it out in its pieces. There we go. There's those. I mean, they did a really good job packing it. The guy didn't dump it on the patio, so I'm really happy with that. And like I said, I am going to take this all out and separate it. Oh. By pieces. There we go. I will, that's her feet, that's a step. I will put a link in my description to my Amazon influencer page. I'll put this on there. I had this on Amazon Prime. It started out like at $129, and on the last day, they marked it all the way down to like $76. I was like, boom, baby. And I snagged it. Ah, more steps. More steps. Alright, looks like now we're just down to the really big pieces here. The most important piece of the whole thing. The slide. This little boy is going to get up in the morning and be such a happy boy. Alright, bag of small parts. And string. Oh. Goes over there with the other one. Looks like there's another bag of small parts. Oh, it's a joint. Oh no, it's a telescope. Okay. Hey, it actually came with directions. That's actually what it's supposed to look like. There's that. One more giant piece right there. That's the top. That looks like we have found the bottom. Alright, so what I'm going to do, instead of bore you with me putting it together piece by piece, I am just going to go ahead the gimbal is just giving me an issue. I'm going to go ahead and put most of it together, and then I'll stop and take a picture and show you where I'm at and what it's going to look like. Hopefully it should. It's going to sit right here in my living room, right here. It's going to sit right here in my living room because the ball pit's in the bedroom. I moved it, so for this. All right, you guys, I'll be back. All right, so take note. Here's all your here's your parts. Here's all the little parts out of the little bag. All the pieces are here. There's the telescope it doesn't tell you it comes with, or the basketball. Remember I said string, basketball hoop, and a little pump to blow up the basketball. Didn't know that was in there. Right here, it's all laid out. All my parts are here, plus a couple extra. There's 2 screws, and then we only sent one of those, so hopefully we don't over tighten anything too bad. All right, let's get it. Right, here's the slide part. It wasn't really that hard to put together. It's a total of 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, 5, 6. You count the 2. But it's fairly easy to put together. So these are just slid in right now, finger tight, to keep it together. So once I get it all pieced together, I will tighten them up. Well done, I'm sorry. There. And then I will tighten those up. So the tricky part is this right here, holding these 2 together while you're trying to put one of these on. So my suggestion is to lay it on its side where you can hold it together. If you're sitting on your floor and you're by yourself, push your knee up on it and then put one of these. I used them all, so no, here. You put one of these and then just finger tighten it. And then that just holds it together. And then I've finished putting the rest in. All right, now we are moving on to, we're gonna get to build some of the sides. All right, I'll be back.